Hi, in this video I will show you how to stop spam on the Discord server. If you want to be get secured from the spamming on your Discord server, you can simply follow this step and this will help you to this will help from you save your server from spamming. So how you can basically do it, simply first of all you have to open your Discord on your laptop, and once you will do it, now you have to select any server you want to make secure. So right now I select this server and then click here, and here you have to click on the server settings, and now you can simply scroll down and you will see only mentions option. Tap on it and then click on the save changes. Once you will do it, other step you have to do is open your browser and search for the top.gg. okay, now from here you have to search for the Me6 bot, or you will also get it on the top bots because it's a famous bot Me6. Simply click on the view and it will redirect you to the dashboard of the me6.xyz, and from here you can simply add it to Discord, and from here you have to select a server with whom you want to connect it. Set up me6 and now click on the continue. Scroll down and click on the authorize. Now you have to click on the I am human. You have to verify it. Do it, and once it will connect with your Discord, simply from here you have to open the Me6 dashboard. Okay, you will see a dashboard of Me6. Simply scroll down and you will see a moderator option. Click on it, turn it on and click on the yes, and now scroll down and you have to search for the bad words, and here you will see multiple options. Simply click on the bad words and you can simply add a list of the bad word like flower. If you think flower is a bad word, simply click on the OK. Now no one will be able to send this message. You have to select the action. If someone write flower, it will automatically delete message, or warn member, delete message and warn member. So it's totally choice is your repeated text, server invites, external links. So select anything from here to secure your server from spamming. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.